Autonomous urban aircraft could become a $1.5 trillion industry by 2040. That includes everything from delivery drones, flying taxis, military unmanned aerial vehicles, and industrial worker drones. Analysts don't see technology as a barrier, noting that battery capacity, computing power, and the rise of 5G technology are all rapidly converging. But if tech isn't the issue, then what will stop drones crowding the skies? What can stop them crashing into each other and tumbling to the ground? This is a UAV traffic management system. What this technology does is identify drones in the sky, helping to avoid collisions with other aircraft such as planes, helicopters, or other drones.
Our goal is to help every drone that's flying broadcast their position so that another aviator can receive that information and make a decision. In the future, the technology will be clever enough where drones can talk to drones can talk to airplanes automatically, and they can automatically avoid.
The system has been designed to work in tandem with a camera mounted on a radar which can spot drones heading towards a restricted area.
So the cameras can integrate it with that drone radar to follow this thing as it's being picked up. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? What is it? Okay, it's a drone. Great. Now, is it a drone we know about, or is it a rogue element that we need to take a different action on?